Hey guys, I hope you had a nice time. Today let us look into this watch. This is a watch from Casio. It is from the vintage series and the watch model is A-158WA. So this comes in this box, slightly green in color, and this is the information which you get. Country of origin China and all. Now let us look inside the box itself. So here's the watch. Let us look afterwards. Let us see what comes inside it. Genuine stuff. You get the tag, the MRP 1695 Indian rupees. And you got the warranty certificate. That's a big one. This is also a Casio membership pack, warranty card, and so on. What are the terms and conditions? So you can register it online. And this is a booklet which also comes in what is the module inside, how to change the time and date and so on. Okay, let us keep it aside. Let us move to the watch. So this is the A-158WA watch, a very popular one. Is just bigger than the F91W. So let us go to the, let us peel this and see. Yeah, very satisfaction. Okay. So as you can see, so let us see the dial. So it comes with, as you can see, it's Casio alarm chrono. This switch is basically light and the lap reset. This is for the mode and this is for the start, stop, and 12 and 24 hours. So you can see on the display you have the day and date and the time showing right now. And downstairs is water resist and WR, which also is the same thing. And lithium, as you know, it has a lithium battery. So this mode, so this is the time. If you go, you have the alarm, you can set by using this one. Next is the stopwatch, you can start. And then you can just stop it. And then from here, this button will set it back. Other is back, you are at the time. So it is a 24 hours. You can remove it and it will be remain on the 9 to 12. Otherwise, if you do it on 24 hours, it will go for 24 hours. And this is the light button. So it is very dim, practically of no use. But yeah. Let's see the dimensions. We have our trusty 1-year caliper. From here, let us see, it is 32.8 millimeters. And let us see the thickness. Thickness of about 6.8 millimeters. This is resin, basically the case. If we see the case, it is resin. It's not stainless steel. It is just made to be seen like that. Now let us look into the strap. I think this is stainless steel. And we can check what will be the lug width of this. Approximately around, from here you can see it is 18 millimeters. Also have this kind of a clasp, so you can just fix it, like you can just, and you can just close it like that. Very simple. And it has something written, stainless steel, Cambodia. Okay. Moving on to the case back, so you have the Casio, the module number inside, which is, I cannot see, is 593, and again the model number A158W, stainless steel back, made in China, and this is the serial number which you can apply online and register this. So you can see this is like you have screws, so you need a screwdriver to open to go into the module inside and change the battery. So it has a digital module which you know already, as it is a digital watch. It's a nice watch. So guys, this was the short review, and I bought it from Amazon for around, as the price suggests, 1700 Indian rupees. So it was not on a sale. I just bought it for the full price. It's a very nice watch to have in your collection. I really love it. It's a small watch, not for everyone's taste, but I like it. So thank you everyone. See you in the next video.